afternoon everyone, this is Vaishnavi. I am studying TS Model School Kalvala. Now I am going to explain about the topic the periodic table of chemical elements impact on human welfare. The elements in the periodic table are arranged according to their electronic configuration and atomic number. The elements in the periodic table are divided into 18 groups, 7 periods and 4 blocks S, P, D, F. Each and every element in the periodic table impacts human life internally and externally from the birth to till the death. So when I was in my mother's womb, there also I need oxygen and a fluid called amniotic fluid protects me. As we know that every fluid is mixed with hydrogen. So oxygen and hydrogen are impacting human welfare from mother's womb. Let us see how these elements are impacting human life internally. First, respiratory system. In the respiratory system, everyone every time taking oxygen. Without oxygen we can't live. Humans breathe different gases into their lungs and blood absorbs oxygen and transport it to other body parts for cellular respiration. Here carbon dioxide is released. I am taking breath, okay. I also need energy to be alive. So, and the energy is produced in the digestive system. The energy released with the help of hydrogen is used in the form of ATP. We consume energy by giving food like carbohydrates, which are made up of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen in the tissues protects from the damage of radicals. Copper helps in enzyme transfer energy in cells. Potassium helps in physical fluid system of the human body. I got energy, okay. I need to send this energy to all my body parts through blood in circulatory system. Here iron is an essential element in the hemoglobin of human blood. About 60% of iron in the human body is found in hemoglobin. Calcium helps in blood clotting, transmission and regulating heartbeat. Magnesium supports healthy blood pressure. Sodium regulates water levels in tissue and blood. Nitrogen is helpful in making protein. Phosphate also take part in energy distribution. Next, skeletal system. Here calcium is an essential element in muscle contractions and building strong bone and teeth. Joints remain lubricate due to presence of hydrogen. Manganese improve bone health. About 70% of magnesium in human body is found in bones. Next, nerve system. In the nerve system, sodium helps to transmit nerve signals and calcium helps to nerve impulses. The elements like hydrogen, zinc, iron, selenium helps immune system to remain healthy. Zinc also helps in cell growth, cell division, wound healing and breakdown of carbohydrates to make thyroid hormones which control body metabolism. Next, medical impact. Here helium is used in MRI scanning tests, beryllium in x-rays, lithium to antipsychotic disorders, iodine in MRI scans. Taking boron by mouth reduce pain to young women in their painful periods. Mercury in thermometer, zirconium in surgical appliances, radium, cobalt and astatine is used in cancer treatment. Like this, the periodic table of chemical elements impact human life internally. Let us see how these elements are impacting externally and how we are depending on these elements. So, for example, I will say my story. It is not only my story but relates to all. Daily I wakes up early and see the sun burning brightly. It is due to presence of hydrogen. Next, I brush my teeth with toothpaste which containing the elements sodium and fluorine. Next, I do bath with soaps which containing the elements sodium or potassium salts of fatty acids and the elements like sodium or magnesium found in detergents and selenium in shampoo. Next, I wear my uniform which is a cloth. For cloth or fabric making, the elements like sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide and silicon waxes are used. The element chromium is used in shoe making. Next, I go to mirror. For mirror making, the elements like stannous chloride, aluminium and silver are used. The elements like silver, gold and platinum are used in manufacturing of jewelry. Then I make up my face with cosmetics which are made up of elements like bismuth and chemical compounds like magnesium silicate and zinc stearate. Then I go to my school by an auto. When I was traveling in auto, I thought that auto is running through petroleum, which is a compound of hydrogen and carbon. I also said that platinum is using in manufacturing of car, scandium and aluminium in cycle, vanadium in gearbox. Then I reach my school. At my school also I observed some elements are using like osmium in pen, calcium carbonate in chalk, some organic compounds in paper and elements like aluminium, boron, nylon in sports items. Next, at lunchtime I use my plate which is made up of using elements silver and tin. At my home also I observed some elements are using like gallium and arsenic in electronic appliances like LED TVs, laptops, etc. Noble gases like helium and neon are used in cooling systems like refrigerators and coolers. Argon in electric light bulbs, yttrium in television tubes, indium in LCDs, Chlorine in PVC pipes, water purifying. Copper in wires, lead in sound absorbers. Titanium and cadmium are using in paints. Tungsten in bulb filament. Um, Radium is using in watch and cesium in clock. In smartphone also some elements are using like lithium in battery, magnesium in casing of phone, silicon in chip of phone, aluminium, oxygen, indium, silicon are using in screen, krypton in flash, rubidium in GPS, and tantalum is also using in manufacturing. My father is doing agriculture. In agriculture also fertilizers are made using some elements like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. I want to reduce my father's hard work. So this periodic table impacted me to choose a chemical career, and I want to become a scientist to earn more money. Money means it is available in currency notes and coins. Currency notes are made using europium and coins by nickel. So I am saying we are living in chemicals, living with chemicals. The elements are endless. That's why I am giving the end like this. Elements never die. Thank you.